Hello friends, today we are discussing about a very important topic of organic chemistry, and the name of the topic is bonding in organic compounds. First step is formation of molecular orbitals from atomic orbital. So let's start friends. When two half filled atomic orbitals belonging to same or different atoms are brought near to each other, they overlap and can form new orbitals called molecular orbitals. When atomic orbitals combine to form molecular orbitals, the number of the molecular orbital is always equal to the number of atomic orbitals that combine. When orbitals with like signs or addition size overlap, a bonding molecular orbitals results. It has a higher electron density between the two atoms, thus minimizing nuclear repulsion and permitting the nuclei to be closer to each other than in the unbonded state. Number 4. When orbitals with unlike sign or subtraction signs overlap, an anti-bonding molecular orbitals results. It has a no electron density in the region between the nuclei. The repulsion of its nuclei is higher and it has a higher energy than the individual's separated atomic orbitals. Anti-bonding molecular orbital contains no electron in the ground state of the molecule. Repulsive forces would be greater than the attraction forces. उसके बाद आप दोस्तों देख सकते हैं कि s orbital combined to form s orbital tends to plus overlapping or in phase overlap or addition facing bonding molecular orbital and second figure is s orbital प्लस s orbital ओवरलैपिंग होगी दोनों की. उसके बाद बनेगा एंटी बॉन्डिंग मोलिकुलर ऑर्बिटल जिसे हम नोडल प्लेन भी बोलते हैं, नोड बोलते हैं जिसको. ओके फ्रेंड्स, एनर्जी डायग्राम फॉर हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल. इधर आप देख सकते हैं दोस्तों एंटी मोलिकुलर बॉन्डिंग मोलिकुलर ऑर्बिटल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल और बॉन्डिंग मोलिकुलर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन. बॉन्डिंग मोलिकुलर ऑर्बिटल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन जाते हैं, एंटी बॉन्डिंग में 1 और उसमें भी 1. ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स. फॉर द ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ एटॉमिक ऑर्बिटल्स फॉलोइंग कंडीशंस शुड बी फुलफिल्ड. नंबर 1, atomic orbitals should be bonding atomic orbitals, that is atomic orbital should be half filled. Number 2, spins of the bonding atomic orbital should be opposite. When bonding orbitals is in opposite direction, then overlapping will take place. If orbitals in same direction, overlapping will not take place. The energy of the overlapping atomic orbital should be same as almost same. Both atomic orbitals should be in same places. Number 5, positive lobe of one atomic orbital should overlap with positive lobe of other atomic orbital, and similarly negative lobe should overlap with negative lobe. Overlapping is possible. Number 6, greater the overlapping, higher is the strength of the chemical bond. Number 7, the s orbital is spherical symmetrically. Therefore, this orbital does not exhibit directional preferences in bond formation. The two orbitals having similar energy, the one which is more directional concentrated will form a strong bond. Thus, dumbbell-shaped p orbitals will form a stronger bond as compared to spherically symmetrical s orbitals. Sigma bonding molecular orbitals. The molecular orbitals produced by end-on overlap of atomic orbitals on adjacent atoms. Such orbitals have a nodal plane perpendicular to the internuclear axis and are higher in energy than the corresponding atomic orbitals. Sigma antibonding molecular orbitals, sigma star. The antibonding molecular orbital is generated by out of phase and overlap of atomic orbitals on adjacent atoms, such as orbital have a nodal plane perpendicular to the internuclear axis and are higher in energy than the corresponding orbitals. SS overlapping: s orbital plus s orbital to form addition compound, and then sigma bonding molecular orbital, and second s orbital combine to form sigma antibonding molecular orbitals sigma star s, as you seen in figure on the screen of s orbital. sp overlapping: s orbital is connected with px orbital to form sigma bonding molecular orbital, and other and in second reaction s orbital is combined with p orbital, and the overlapping is plus minus overlapping to form sigma antibonding sp orbital. pp overlapping: the end on overlap of two orbitals, say px and py, can form sigma bond. There is combination of p orbital plus p orbitals after the overlapping nuclear axis forms sigma px, and in second reaction the two p orbitals is combined together to form nodal plane sigma star px. Friends, now we discussing about pi molecular orbitals or pi bond. The two p orbitals in perpendicular position is combined to form transition state and nodal plane pi pz, or and in second equation the two p orbitals is combined to form nodal plane, as you see in figure on screen. Thank you friends for watching these videos.